This is how I made props for Spamalot, and if you haven't already, go check out my other videos. So for part 6, we are working on the swords for the Knights of the Round Table. To do this, we are basing these off of Adam Savage's $5 sword. It's an excellent tutorial on YouTube, and you should go check him out. Now throughout this process, I'm making templates to use them as shortcuts. That way I don't have to keep using a ruler to trace them out. Like here, for example, I'm making a template for the guard of the sword, see? All I have to do is trace them out onto the board and cut them into pieces afterwards. So because I was a fool when I made my prototype, I did not write down my measurements for the blade. So while I was working on the first sword, I went back and forth with a ruler and my Excalibur to calculate the details. For example, the length of the blade, how long I want the hilt to be, and how much residual should be added to take the guard and the pommel into account. On the plus side, this was the easy part, and in the next step is in the cutting, and in the next video features a minor tragedy. If you want to know what that tragedy is, follow for part 7 because, well, you know.